bourbon sauce, and brown sugar bacon, and Angus steak, and a top bun, and a bottom bun? Arby's, we have the meats.
It took more than the scheduled 7 innings, but the Morristown East High Hurricanes fell just short of capturing the Region 1 AAA championship on Wednesday with a 4-2 loss to Sevier County. The Hurricanes come into the game with a 28-8 record while going 14-2 at Sherwood Park, while most recently defeating Sevier County for the District 2 AAA championship and defeating District 1 runner-up Kingsport Dobbins-Bennett. Jake Dent recorded the loss while pitching 7.1 innings and allowing 5 hits, 3 runs, 6 walks, and 4 strikeouts, while sophomore Andrew Carpenter came in relief with 1 out in the 8th inning and allowed 2 hits, 1 run, and recorded 1 strikeout. With the loss, the Hurricanes now travel to Farragut on Friday for sectionals to see who advances to the TSSAA state tournament. Friday's game is scheduled to start at noon.